Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It's January 18th, Wednesday, when I'm recording this, and I want to let you guys know that Chris Brecher is having his first webinar since being back at Simpler Trading. Now, Chris used to actually be with Simpler Trading, and I remember when I was first learning how to trade and trying to figure out who's out there, who I can pay attention to and listen to and learn from. Chris was with Simpler, and he was running the stock-only trading room, and he grew that thing quite large and did a really great job. And I remember seeing his free webinars and everything else like that, and I did pick up a few things from him. And so it is amazing now that I've been with Simpler for about 4 years, and now Chris is coming back, or is back, and he's putting on his first webinar. And so I think this is pretty cool. I'm actually very excited to see what he has to say. So come tune in. This is a free webinar. It's going to be tonight, so when I'm recording this, depends on when you see the newsletter come out. But sign up, it's free. And, we all have our own thing. We all do our own patterns and whatnot. Chris has his own patterns. And you know what? I don't own the field on pattern and pattern setup and recognitions. So just because if you guys are, listening to this and you're a Moxie only kind of person, hey, go check out what he has to say. You never know. And you know what? We always learn. And it's, we never stop learning until we die. So I always think it's a good thing to go check this out, but here he is, and you can see some videos and tune in with him on tonight, the 18th. Otherwise, check out the recording. All right, so as far as the market goes, we finally got the pullback that I was looking for. Here it is. And now we're going to have to see how far down this wants to go and what names out there are going to be coming back into reasonable support. Now, of course, we always have to be careful that this doesn't morph or turn into a continued bear market and more weakness. Like we've seen this story before where we've had moves up and then they all get sold into and there's more weakness. This time seems a little bit different. There is a lot of participation market-wise, but what I can tell you right now, we've been waiting and looking for this with the gap, and then we finally broke the 15-minute 50. And you know what? I've been telling everybody I'm looking for about 390, and I'm looking for price to get underneath the hourly 50. So far, so good, and we'll just have to see if this continues to be a pullback into strength. And then one of the other things that I have been talking about is what we call the Moxie power dots. And basically, it is when the Moxie indicator on the 15-minute time frame only, because there are two of them, when they get within 10% of each other. Basically, it's just a way of flagging to your eyes, hey, the Moxie indicators are getting pretty close to each other, and that usually means that something's going to be happening. And lo and behold, we started getting them yesterday on the 17th, and today was the big move for the market to have the bottom fall out. So, just some updates like that. If you guys own the Moxie indicator, we will be releasing this to you shortly. We're just cleaning up the code and getting the team ready to package it. So give us a little bit more time and we'll get it out to you. And again, looking forward to seeing Chris's webinar tonight. It's simplertrading.com/chart. All right, thanks again, guys. Catch you later. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.